Right, starting here, using an image background, which is the first time we've done this. I like to sometimes give a background to an image. It gives the idea of nighttime and something for your subject to be based in. So rather than a white void, which seems to be quite popular, I've given a lovely background of nighttime here for them. And we're going to show a portrait. We want to give the impression of laughing. So an emotion, wonderful human emotion, an action of happiness and laughter. Now I've got to convey this in what is a fairly limited palette and a limited style in this format of a smartphone, but I think I've captured it pretty well, and you can see already forming joy on this person's face. They have an essence of just joy, abandon, just like they're thinking of moments in their life of hilarity, moments that have brought them great happiness, and or perhaps someone falling off a cliff, which they found amusing. It's making them laugh, and you can see in their eyes, even the eyes are the windows to the soul, and they are that laughter is just in their eyes. I wouldn't even have to show the detail of this very, again, photorealism I've gone for with the mouth. You wouldn't even have to show that. The eyes themselves, you could cut off the bottom half of the screen and show the eyes, and you'd know that this gentleman was laughing. Well, I've decided to cover them up for decency's sake, giving them some clothing, because I don't know how young some of my viewers are here. You can see no artifacts have been left on it. I've the colour of the nose. I thought it might have been. So the beard, the lips, the look of the mouth, obviously it's showing that great humour, great laughter coming from this person who is maybe there at night time. They could be by a pier, could be looking out over the water, they could be by the Golden Gate Bridge, they could be at the Seine in Paris, a place that often brings out emotion in people, and they're watching the boats go along the Seine and they're laughing away, and you can see, just in case people don't understand, I've written a word here on the side here which is often linked with laughter, and I've written ho ho 40 on the side there, which can show that should be a ho as well. Ho 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 on the side there, which shows that they're laughing. But that again is just for people that maybe they've got sight problems and they can't see the central image. And there you go, that's laughing. I hope you've enjoyed that one today, and look forward to joining for the next one. Thank you very much.